Hey guys, it's me, Kat. I really hope you're doing well. It's been such a long time since I've filmed, but I'm really hoping to get back into the swing of things because, and I feel like this moment is like 10 years in the making, I am moving out. I'm moving into my own apartment. I'm leaving my parents' house, which is sort of bittersweet because my twin sister still lives here, and I had really hoped to be moving out with her as I was sort of saving and, you know, going through my adult life. I've been saving and I wanted to move out together, but right now she's just not in the place where she can just yet. And we're 30 and I have been so ready mentally for this for so long that I kind of just decided to just do it, you know? So my partner and I are actually going to be moving into our own apartment. It is in Ridgewood, Queens. It is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath with direct access to the backyard, laundry in the building, so it has quite a few positives going for it, and it costs $2,500. So I'm kind of just giving you guys like a quick rundown before I go ahead and show you guys the empty apartment tour. So this is the apartment, guys, and the door is opening incredibly slowly, but once you open the door, you are immediately in the living room, which sort of connects seamlessly to the kitchen. And we were really surprised at how high the ceilings were, the nice finishes of the apartment. It's honestly a lot of space. And this right here is the staircase leading to the basement, which we'll explore later. As you can see, there's also a mattress in the hall. The super left that in there for 3 weeks, despite us repeatedly asking him to remove it along with other things. But yeah, we really liked like the wood floors, and everything just felt like it was updated and really nice. So this is my bathroom, and it's pretty standard, has a tub and a shower, but it's a really good size. And then moving straight to the back of the apartment, we are headed into the bigger of the 2 bedrooms. So this is where we're going to be sleeping. We're actually turning the other bedroom into something else, which I'll touch on later. We do have sliding glass doors that lead right to the backyard. So we're definitely going to order curtains for that. And then we have tons of wall scuffing and just damage. So we sent a list to the super to fix that. And then there I am. I'm ever so graciously opening, or rather turning the light on in the bathroom for you guys. And this bathroom is very, very spacious. I think it is the bathroom that Nick deserves because he is 6'1" and he has suffered enough being in a tiny bathroom for the past year. So hopefully it's a match made in heaven. And then going back to the front of the apartment, we are going to bypass me standing in the bathroom so I don't interrupt the shot. We are going past my Kate Spade handbag, past the spacious living room, and then we are in the front of the apartment in the 2nd bedroom, which Nick has graciously allowed me to turn into my beauty room / filming area / walk-in closet. And he did this partly because we toured another apartment that I really loved that had 4 rooms, so we each could have had 1 room for ourselves and a 2nd room to turn into whatever we wanted. And he really wanted the backyard feature, so I agreed to move into this one, and so he gave me that. But this is the basement. It is going to be turned into Nick's office area, and then we're also going to use half of it as like bonus hangout space. So that is like literally a pipe closet. And then going to the back of the basement, you have this really spacious area, which Nick is going to set all his computers up in and his desk. He's got like 3 computers because he works in IT and he's been working remotely for 3 years. So having that set up for him is really important. So that's a great space for him. And then this is our last bathroom. So it's just a half bath, sink and a toilet, but a great extra. And then this is the rest of the basement. So we can definitely put a couch down here and make it a hangout spot. Nick pitched maybe having a bar area, so it remains to be seen how we use it, but we're super excited to have this extra floor. So I wanted to show you guys one more thing that proves just how ready I was for this step. So this is a self-care like little workbook that I bought from Etsy, and I had it printed and made at, I believe it was FedEx, but there's one page dedicated to vision board, and I printed out all these images from Pinterest that I had collected and just kind of created my own little scrapbook vision board. And I'm just so ready to be styling all these different spaces and finally, you know, get to just live life the way I want to dictate it and create my own space that makes me happy and somewhere I'm super glad to personalize and come home to. So without further ado, I'm going to end this here, but I hope you guys stay tuned because I do plan on making more content related to the apartment and also just fashion and beauty. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you in another video soon. Bye!